Ladies and gentlemen, hello everyone, welcome to my video section in AWS Amazon. Today we will learn a new concept called the S3 or the Simple Storage Service. So what's the S3? S3 is an object storage service. You can store and retrieve your files. These files called the objects. The objects can be image, video and large data like the database. So these objects store in the directory called the bucket. Let's start to discuss about the S3 characteristics. The first one, store any amount of the data, so here there is no limit in the store. The second one is the low latency access. The third one is the encryption, and the fourth one, pay as you use. And the fifth one, you can access or management access in the S3 by the console, the CLI, the SDK, and the endpoint reset. Let's go in my account and know more about the S3.
So now I am in my account in the Frankfurt region, so I will access to the S3 now. I will go in the service, after that go in the storage or choose here the S3, and you can also write here S3 and access to the S3. Firstly, need to create the bucket. As we know, the bucket is the directory of the object, so I will create the bucket. After that, I give name to the this bucket. Okay, I will put it as AWS, for example, hyphen frank. Okay, so here as you can see here, the hyphen doesn't accept it, so I will remove it, and I will also just create like that, Frank. Okay, after that also you can keep the region. You can here create and keep the all configuration in the default, or go in the next. So after that I will go in the next. So here we have the versioning, we will see it later on. Okay, also the server access logging. So here I will go in the next. Also here you have the block all public access to block any access from anywhere. Okay, so now I will go in the next. Also create bucket. My bucket already create. Now I need to create the object, so I will access to the bucket. Okay, after that here tell me this bucket is empty, upload the object. So now I will upload the object. I will upload one picture, for example. Okay, so I will choose this one and next. So here you can also upload it with the default configuration. As you can see here, the user ID, my user ID, and the permission here. Okay, so now I will go in the next. Here you have the storage classes. We will also discuss about this section, about this concept, or the storage classes. Okay, this is very important. We will see it later on. Okay, so upload it. As you can see in progress. Okay, the image already uploaded, and now successful. Okay, so my image here is already uploaded, so I will check here. For example, I will click on it. Okay, so if you want to open it, okay, I will open. Okay, this is my picture. Then for example, I will copy this link. Okay, I will copy and put it here. As you can see here, the access is blocked. So now I need to make it as public. Now we need to make it in the public. Firstly go to permission, in the permission. After that I will edit here and check this one and save. Here just confirm, write confirm. Okay, I confirm. After that I will go in the my buckets overview. Okay, and here in the image and make it as public. Here make public. After that make it public is okay. Now Now I will just refresh here. As you can see here, the image is in the public now. So this is just simple configuration in S3. Now I need to delete. For example, when you want to delete from here, delete, okay. And now I want to delete also the bucket, okay, delete. Here if you want to delete, you must write the name of bucket. So AWS Frank example and confirm. Now my S3 bucket is empty now. So thank you so much for your watching and consideration. See you in the next video.